How to make tomato sauce with ground beef homemade spaghetti. Put 250 grams of minced meat. Fry in the pan until it is half cooked. Put 15 grams of salt. Put 2 grams black pepper. Chop 130 grams of onion. Chop 230 grams of tomatoes. Put chopped onions in the pan. Meanwhile, we are boiling the spaghetti. Mix it. Put chopped tomatoes to ingredients in the pan. Add 30 grams of paprika and cut into small pieces. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Put 200 milliliters hot water. From the spaghetti boiled water. Mix everything together well. We go back to finish cooking the spaghetti. Boil 2 liters of water. Put spaghetti in the boiling water. Put 5 grams of salt. Check if it has become soft. As you can see, it should be smooth and not stick together. 35 minutes cooking for 100 grams of spaghetti. 250 grams of minced meat, 230 grams of tomato, 130 grams of onion, 20 grams of salt, 2 grams of black pepper, 30 grams of paprika, grind to liters of water, a tablespoon tomato paste. It is ready.
Subscribe to our channel if you are interested. Click on the button.
Enjoy it.